We all know that selling on WhatsApp is not very easy, especially if your WhatsApp status is now hanging. Probably you have a lot of WhatsApp contacts, you are a WhatsApp TV, you're a WhatsApp marketer, just like me. I do have a lot of contacts as well. So if that's you or you sell stuff on WhatsApp random, like you're just a random person, you're not a WhatsApp TV, not an influencer, but you just sell stuff on WhatsApp, you also experience these WhatsApp glitches and status not loading so fast. Yeah, I'll be talking about 7 things to do when your WhatsApp is hanging, like how you can reduce those glitches and all of them. So the first thing I want you to understand is that nothing in life is worth having one. If you're having one WhatsApp account, I will advise you to get a backup WhatsApp. Probably you have a WhatsApp business, you can as well have a WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp. So that one will reduce the work, like it will reduce the messages, it will reduce those groups that you're having. When you are selling on WhatsApp, just like me, I do a lot of training. So my free classes, my free community, my free this and that. So lot of groups are over 200 groups on WhatsApp. So that one alone is enough for WhatsApp to hang. So what I do is that I use my second WhatsApp to back up my stuff, my free trainings. I will do them. I will create them and make myself an admin both of them. So I can use any of them. If one is hanging, I can immediately go to my second WhatsApp. Then another thing you can do is like if you have phones like Techno, Infinix, and maybe Samsung, I don't know, that have freezers. So when your WhatsApp is hanging like that, just freeze it, then unfreeze again. So by the time you freeze it and you unfreeze your WhatsApp, you go back to the normal state. So you can easily do and post stuff on your WhatsApp. Then if that one is not working again, what you can do is like you can uninstall it or make sure that it will tell you that you want to keep this message, you don't want to keep your messages and chats. Just say yes. Just tick that mark that you don't want to lose your message. Just uninstall and restore it back so you can easily use your WhatsApp post and all of them. So another thing you can do is if you are trying to upload your WhatsApp status and it's not loading, like maybe it's just saying loading, loading, and it's just saying sending, like on WhatsApp status, it will be saying sending. So don't bother about that one, just upload another one, that same content, upload it again. So that one that is loading, then delete it. That one that is saying send is sending. Make sure that that one has gone. Like the other one that you posted, let's say you want to post a video just like this one on your WhatsApp status, but it's taking time, like it's taking so long before you can upload. Don't worry about that one. Just try to upload another one. That one will go. Why this one is still sending? So by the time this one has gone, just delete this one. But this another thing. If you are trying to delete before you upload, it will also take time. It will take more time. That's what a lot of people are doing. Like if they want to upload another one and it's not going very well, they want to delete one, then upload another one. No, it will be delaying again. You grab. So just don't bother about that one. Just try to upload. Maybe it's a picture, your flyer, your video, your product that you share on WhatsApp. Just try to do that one. Then another thing you can do is like archive all your chats. Like if you're having a lot of chats, like 500 messages, 200 messages, 50 or 20 messages, just try to archive. Just go to your WhatsApp status and I try to record a I might try to record my screen. I will show you how to archive all chat if you don't know how that one is done. So that's 5 things that you can do as well. You can also try to upgrade your phone. Probably if your phone is like less than 2 gig RAM, you have phone maybe Techno, Infinix, and all of them. I always advise people that they should go for Android. If you are selling on WhatsApp, maybe you have a lot of contacts, you're a WhatsApp marketer, just like your WhatsApp TV. You always go for Android. Android like Redmi, Samsung, they are very good for WhatsApp. I currently use Techno, but it's not very good for me because it hangs a lot. I have a lot of contacts, and most of it, when I want to post on my status, it will take time. But once I've realized all these things are between them, this one is not 100%, but at least it will save you from a lot of headaches and it will save you from a lot of just most people are frustrated when it's hanging. They be like, they just come to my WhatsApp, like, my WhatsApp is hanging. What can I do? This and that. So, these are what I have told them. Just try to upload another thing, especially your WhatsApp status. Then, another thing is like get a memory card. Like when your WhatsApp is hanging, it's due to that you are having a lot of videos on your phone, and WhatsApp alone is taking much space again. Maybe your phone is just like 32 gig RAM and 32 gig room rather, or it's just having 8 gig memory card. So try to upgrade your memory card and free those space, like all those videos or image and other things that is on your phone. You can just migrate them to your memory card, then that one will free a lot of space on your phone so that your WhatsApp will reduce a little bit you grab. So another thing you can do is like have a backup. What I mean by backup is that let's say your WhatsApp ban your account today, what will you do? That's why I said in the beginning of this video that nothing in life is worth having one. If you have just one WhatsApp, anything can happen at any time. So that your second WhatsApp that is backup will take up again. You grab. Then you can also have backup just like Telegram channel. You can have a YouTube channel. You can have free. groups on Facebook. You can create a free group. So from there you can take up maybe when your WhatsApp hang or when your WhatsApp ban your account and you don't get it back or something, you can always get it back. If you want to know more about WhatsApp banning and what you should do about WhatsApp ban, just message me on WhatsApp 081 034 8369. I put my link in any part of this video. Maybe my if you are watching this on my YouTube channel, it will be in the description. If you are watching this on TikTok, it will be in my bio. So just go to my come to my WhatsApp. I will send you a video that will help you to eradicate all of these things. Then another thing you can do is that your phone, if you're having a lot of videos, just create a private channel on Telegram. Private channel, don't create public because anybody can just go there and check your stuff. And most of my things they are private. They are things that I cannot share to any other person you grab. So you create a private channel on your Telegram. Then those videos that you have on your phone, you have video courses, you have PDF, lot of files, big files, even those that watch videos, maybe you have Netflix videos and all of them. So just put them on your Telegram channel. You can even uninstall the Telegram. It will still be there. Telegram has a backup that can be like all your videos, all your files are uploaded to their cloud. It's not like WhatsApp that when you uninstall WhatsApp, everything will have gone. So Telegram helps you to back up your space. You can also do this on Facebook as well. Just create a private Facebook group. Upload your stuff there. It will help you to keep them for lifetime. So these are the things you can do to eradicate WhatsApp glitches and WhatsApp taking much time. So if there's anything I want to add again, I will also let you know. Then another thing you can do well is like join my WhatsApp Ninja Circle. I have a private WhatsApp community, like it's paid actually. If you want to know more about it, just click the link in my description. It will direct you to my WhatsApp. So I will tell you more about this for people that are selling on WhatsApp. Maybe you sell a skill, you sell a product, you sell digital product, physical product on your WhatsApp. We are almost 100 people in a group already. So if you join us today, you'll be getting more update from me. It's not everything that I can be sharing to a lot of people you grab. Those people, I call them my inner circle. They are my ninjas you grab. So if you want to know more about this course, just message me on WhatsApp 081 034 8369. My name still remain Mike Accolade. See you in the next video.